Hey guys, I'm JT. Thank you for visiting my channel. JT's Schoolhouse Surprise. That's what my channel's called. Today I have been learning about rain. Did you know that rain is actually a moisture condensed from the atmosphere that falls into a separate little drops? Today, I'm going to create a rain thingy for my science class. Dun dun dun! First, I'm going to put this cup of boiling water. Ooh, it's hot. I'm going to pour it fast. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Ooh, get it off, get it off. Oh. Then, I have my ice that is melting very fastly, and I don't know why. Probably because I have the air conditioning on. And then, comment down below what you think is going to happen. Condensation. Whatever that word is called. I hope I said it right, because I'm really bad at that word. Hey, comment down below if you can say condensation. I hope I said it right again. I'm probably getting better, because I keep on saying it. Yeah. As you can see, the glass is steaming up. It's time. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I like being funny, funny. Oh, now time to brush my hair. I'm a little latey. La 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 la. It's starting to drain inside of it, but actually it's not really raining. As you can see, look, you can see the little boiling water shake and jiggle, and then hitting it and making it jiggle, 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 wiggle. As we're also, when you're outside and you have to go somewhere and it's raining outside and it's hot outside, you usually get to see this stuff, but it's not boiling water hot. And you can write your name. Yeah, so that's not going to happen. As you can see, the water's jiggling again. When I was littler, I watched this thing, Peppa Pig, and she's a funny little piggy girl, and she always loved jumping into muddy puddles. But as you know, there can't be muddy puddles just like that. You have to have rain. What is happening to this jar? By the way, don't concentrate on me as much as you're concentrating on this jar, because you might miss what's going to happen. Raindrops are forming and dropping, making the rain jiggle. I said it 3 times in a row, but it's funny. If you enjoyed today's science project with me, like and subscribe. Da 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 da. Baba. Until tomorrow. Have a magical day. Bye bye.